There is money out there to help you pay for college, and WCC is prepared to help you find it.
Federal and state programs provide funding to support your college education, and most aid is available to students with financial need.
So if you complete your financial aid applications, you may be surprised by what you qualify for.
All full-time Westchester Community College students who apply for financial aid will also be automatically considered for WCC Foundation scholarships.
The WCC Foundation raises money to help students like you achieve their educational goals. Each year, approximately $2 million in scholarships are awarded to WCC students.
Financial aid and scholarships are open to WCC students, whether you're taking classes at the Valhalla campus or at the extension centers in Mount Vernon, Ossining, Peekskill, or Yonkers, or you're taking online classes.
Visit www.sunywcc.edu/apply to become a Viking and access the many opportunities available to Westchester Community College students.
And if you wish to meet with an admissions counselor, please join us at www.sunywcc.edu/info.